The advanced Grand Vitara with strong hybrid technology.
We move cricket so that cricket moves you. Smart logistics beyond boundaries.
It's a very interesting mix here. A lot of Indian batters, therefore, are we expecting कि overseas bowling will have to do the job, and a lot of young Indian bowlers, Tushar Deshpande, Akash Madwal, Yudhvir Singh Charak. So I'm just trying to think of whether this looks like a balanced and strong team to you, Akash.
See, they've tried, but I don't think they've accomplished what they set out to do. And why I say that? Because in the world of impact players, you always felt that your batting should last till 7, if possible 8. क्योंकि तभी फायदा ना इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर को आप लेकर आते हो फिर किसी के साथ चेंज कर देते हो. लास्ट ईयर द प्रॉब्लम वाज कि वो ऐसा कोई था नहीं. दे डिडंट रियली हैव एन ऑलराउंडर. तो वो या तो बैटर थे या बॉलर थे. तो अश्विन को उन्होंने ऑलराउंडर बनाया कि भाई तू ऊपर बैटिंग कर ले यार, क्योंकि हमारे पास बैटिंग हमारी लंबी नहीं हो पा रही है किसी भी तरीके से. हैव दे एड्रेस दैट इशू? They may think that they have addressed it with Vanindu Hasaranga, but Vanindu Hasaranga, outstanding bowler, but has he actually produced one good season in the IPL? You name a spinner barring Rashid Khan and Sunil Narine, overseas 2 spinners, जिनके अलावा किसी का अच्छा रहा हो season. Overseas spinners in Indian conditions, ये भैया बहुत बड़े-बड़े नाम आते हैं, पर ना यहाँ आके चल नहीं पाते हैं. तो ये they are banking their 8 overs of spin with Mahesh Tikshana and Vanindu Hasaranga. I mean, good luck. It's a big ground, so it may still work a little. वहाँ पे जब खेलेंगे जाएंगे सवाई मानसिंह स्टेडियम में, it may not work at Guwahati where they are starting the season. Bowling, I mean, it's okay. जोफ्रा आर्चर, फजल हक फरूकी दोनों को अगर खिलाएंगे तो फिर शिमरन हेटमायर को भी तो खिलाना है, उनको तो रिटेन किया था. So when I look at their overseas combination,
so there's a concern somewhat on the bowling for you. Is there a concern on the batting also कि जो power जो जॉस बटलर जब थे वहाँ पे, it just felt like you have more dynamic batting. Do you sense with the, it's a very strong Indian core, do you sense the power is sufficient there?
They'll be fine. Okay. Batting wise, I think they will be fine. क्योंकि यशस्वी was not the same player in the previous season. Last season expectation थी 700 रन बनाए थे उन्होंने इंग्लैंड के खिलाफ एक टेस्ट श्रृंखला में, कि अब तो ये ऑरेंज कैप के साथ जाएगा. एक साल अच्छा नहीं हुआ, but 2 middling seasons won't happen back to back for him. Sanju Samson is in red hot form in T20 format, barring the last England series, and I hope nobody bowls bouncers. Or even if in the IPL you bowl bouncers, he's going to deposit them into the stands. Then there is Rana, Dhruv Jurel. Batting mein they'll be fine.
The advanced Grand Vitara with strong hybrid technology.
We move cricket so that cricket moves you. Smart logistics beyond boundaries.